Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Notion for beginners step by step, even if you've never used Notion before. If you're feeling overwhelmed when you first open Notion, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clean and simple setup that you can actually use every day. Let's start with the basics. After signing up for Notion, you'll land on your workspace. This is like your digital home where everything is organized. On the left sidebar, you'll see Pages. Pages are the foundation of Notion. Think of them as folders or notebooks where you store information. First, create your main pages. Click on New Page and create 3 simple pages. Name the first one Notes, the second one Tasks, and the third one Personal or Work, depending on your needs. Now let's set up your Notes page. Open the Notes page and add a heading called Quick Notes. Below that, you can start typing anything: ideas, reminders, or study notes. Notion saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing anything. Next, let's set up tasks. Go to your Tasks page. Type / and select Table Database. This will create a simple task manager. Rename the first column to Task Name. Add another column for status and set it as Select. Create options like To Do in Progress and Done. You can also add a date column for deadlines. Now you already have a basic task system that works. One important thing beginners should know is blocks. Everything in Notion is a block. Text, images, checklists, tables, everything is editable and movable. You can drag blocks up and down to organize your page easily. Next, let's talk about templates. Notion offers built-in templates for beginners. Click on Templates and explore options like Daily Planner, Habit Tracker, or Study Planner. You can use these as they are or customize them later. Customization is optional but helpful. You can add icons and cover images to pages to make them visually clear. This helps you navigate faster, especially when your workspace grows. Finally, keep your setup simple. Don't try to build complex systems on day one. Use Notion Daily for notes and tasks first. As you get comfortable, you can add databases, calendars, and advanced features. And that's how to set up Notion for beginners step by step in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.